Avoid custom carved stone features to keep your home build within budget while still getting natural stone character. When planning budget-friendly home construction, focus on using cultured stone veneers over full-thickness carved stone because they replicate look and texture at a fraction of the cost and install much faster with standard mortar. Methods: reserve real or higher-end stone for a single focal feature such as a hearth wall or main entry to create visual impact without covering large areas, which drives costs exponentially. Choose simpler stone profiles and larger modular pieces rather than intricate hand-cut shapes, since fewer seams and standard sizes reduce labor hours and waste. Combine stone accents with durable stucco or fiber cement siding to balance aesthetics and expense while maintaining weather resistance and low maintenance. For installations, insist on a properly prepared substrate, continuous flashing, and weep screeds to avoid long-term moisture problems that can negate any initial savings. Finally, plan details early with your contractor so you can value engineer alternatives before material orders are placed, which limits change order premiums and schedule delays. Common mistakes are overspecifying carved or custom pieces, which balloons both material and labor costs, so scale back to a focal application and use standard units to control price. Another issue is underestimating installation complexity, which leads to hidden prep work and change orders, so require a clear scope, substrate checklist, and staging plan from your builder before work starts. A third concern is mixing incompatible materials without proper transitions causing leaks or staining, so insist on flashing, proper sealants, and a 100% compatible mortar and substrate system at junctions. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors so we can find teams experienced in cost-sensitive stonework and alternative finishes. Our site also helps contractors find projects and join a discussion community where we exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world solutions.